Hi, let's do one more conditional statement example in Matlab. Suppose this time I would like to ask the student's mark, and I will decide whether the mark is A, B, C or an F. Okay, just like the previous example, we will ask the user to input the mark, some number between 0 to 100, let's say, and the if statement here will check whether this x, if this is, let's say, less than 50, this is a failing mark, F, so it is failure. Now I will check some other conditions, and in Matlab conditions we use the else if. So basically, if the first condition is satisfied, it will execute line 5 here, and it will get out of the if. But if this statement is not true, then it will check the second condition in line 6 given by else if. So suppose in this one x is greater than or equal to 50, or x is less than, let's say, 60. And in this case, suppose we give the student a C. Okay, your mark is C. And then we need to continue because there are some other cases as well. If x is greater than or equal to 60, this should be an AND. So AND operator is given by this double AND notation. And in the other case, suppose this is x less than 70, we give the mark, your mark is, let's say, B, else if x greater than or equal to 70 and x less than or equal to, let's say, 100, and display your mark is A. Okay, so let's test our code by running, and let's say it is 65. So your mark is B for 65. Let's run this one more time. Let's say 93, and your mark is A. So it's working correctly as expected. And also notice that actually I can also use an else statement, so for one of these. So for example, I can change this like this. I can remove this, and I can use else, because the only condition left is now if the mark is less than 50. So this would also work just the same way. It's a failure because it executes the else part, right? All of these first conditions are not correct, so it comes to the else part and it will directly display that your mark is in this category, which is F. So this is another example, and you can consider some other variations of this example or similar examples, and we will do more later on. Thank you for listening.